Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add your Instagram link to your Wix website using social bars. By the end of this video, you'll have your Instagram profile just one click away for your website visitors, so they can easily find and follow your social content. Whether you're building a portfolio, a small business site, or just a personal homepage, having those social connections front and center is key for making your online presence truly engaging. So, let's get started. First up, on your Wix editor dashboard, look for the social bars. These are usually found on the left-hand menu under Add. They show up as a set of connected social icons and are your shortcut to displaying social media links in a tidy, professional way. Click on it and drop the social bars module wherever you prefer on your page. Maybe you want it in your header for that always visible look, or perhaps in your footer for a clean finish. Totally up to you. Now, click on the social bars component itself and select Set Social Links. This is where you control which social media icons and links actually show up on your site. By default, Wix tries to help by adding icons for different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. But for today, we're focusing on Instagram. Go ahead and carefully delete all the other social profiles except Instagram. Don't worry, this doesn't affect your actual accounts. Just removes these icons from your website, keeping things nice and simple. If you ever want to add them back later, you absolutely can. Alright, next step is grabbing your Instagram profile URL. So open a new tab and head over to Instagram. Make sure you're on your public profile page. If you're logged in, it should be something like instagram.com username. Once you're there, highlight the URL right at the top of your browser and copy it. This part is crucial. Copying the exact link ensures that visitors land on the correct page and can follow or explore your content without confusion. Think of this like handing someone your business card. You want to give them the direct connection, not a dead end or an error page. Jump back to your Wix editor, and now, in the social bars settings where you left off, paste the Instagram URL into the provided field for the Instagram icon. Take a moment to double-check that the link works and looks correct. A quick typo can make a big difference, so a second glance is always worth it. Once you've pasted the link, you're almost there, but before calling it done, it's always smart to preview your site. Click on Preview at the top right corner. This step lets you experience your site exactly how your visitors will. Test the Instagram button by clicking on the icon. It should open a new tab directly to your Instagram profile. If it does, congrats! That's all set. If not, go back and check that the link was pasted correctly. And that's it. You've now connected your Wix site to your Instagram, making it easier for your audience to follow your journey and stay engaged across platforms. It really is those small touches that make a website feel personal and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and drop any questions you might have down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more website tips and tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.